where we dive deep into the stories that captivate the world. Today, we have an intriguing and dramatic story from the glamorous world of beauty pageants. If you love stories about pageants, controversy, and unexpected turn of events, then this video is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest pageant news. The Miss Universe Fiji 2024 pageant held last weekend took an unexpected and controversial turn when the wrong contestant was crowned as the winner. The event, which was supposed to celebrate beauty, grace, and Fiji's return to the international pageant scene after 43 years, instead ended in confusion and disarray. Miss Universe Fiji's licensee representative, Riri Febriani, announced the termination of the contract with the pageant organizer. According to Febriani, the contract organizer failed to follow crucial protocols and caused unnecessary confusion. They rushed to crown their preferred contestant without considering a tie-breaking process that was supposed to be consulted with the licensee judge, making the situation even worse. The licensee had entrusted the contract organizer with appointing additional judges to ensure a fair competition. However, Febriani reported that the licensee's vote was not counted, leading to a tie between the top two contestants. The organizer then hastily announced their preferred winner, disregarding fairness and transparency. This incident not only cast a shadow over the event but also highlighted the issue of bias, as the organizer reportedly favored a contestant from a specific ethnic background for financial reasons. This raised serious concerns about the integrity of the competition, with Miss Universe Fiji stating that legal action will be taken against the organizers. The controversy caused significant distress for the top two contestants who found themselves caught in the middle of the mess. Miss Universe Fiji expressed deep regret for the mental anguish caused and apologized to all involved, especially the contestants, whose hard work and dedication were overshadowed by this scandal. Amidst the chaos, however, Nadine Roberts was finally confirmed as Miss Universe Fiji 2024. The organizers and licensees emphasized that despite the confusion, the talent and beauty showcased by the contestants will lead to an even bigger and better event in the years to come. In another part of the world, the Miss Universe Guatemala 2024 competition witnessed an unexpected and heartfelt moment. Monica Andrea Aguilar Radford, who had been crowned Miss Universe Guatemala just a few months ago, made an emotional announcement. She revealed that she is expecting her first child and therefore would be stepping down from her title. Radford's pregnancy marks a significant moment in beauty pageant history, as it is extremely rare for a title holder to become pregnant while holding the crown. The Miss Universe organization confirmed that while pregnant women can technically compete, Radford decided it was best for her to prioritize her new chapter as a mother. As a result, the first runner-up, Ana Gabriela Villanueva, a 22-year-old law student from Santa Rosa, Guatemala, will now represent the country at the upcoming Miss Universe competition in Mexico. Ana Gabriela's story is equally inspiring, as she steps into this role with grace and pride. For the first time in Miss Guatemala history, a contestant from Santa Rosa will represent the nation on the global stage. The Miss Universe Guatemala organization expressed full support for Radford's decision, celebrating her new journey into motherhood while also congratulating Villanueva for her new title. Radford's situation brings up an important conversation: should beauty pageants update their rules to accommodate modern circumstances? For decades, these competitions have followed strict guidelines regarding marital status, motherhood, and other personal aspects of a contestant's life. But as society evolves, many are calling for beauty pageants to reflect these changes. Radford's decision to step down gracefully showed her respect for the rules, but it also raises questions about whether these rules are becoming outdated. It's worth noting that Miss Universe did make some rule changes in recent years, allowing married women and mothers to compete, but there's still room for more inclusivity. The Miss Universe pageant has always been more than just a beauty competition. It's an event that brings together women from all over the world, celebrating their strength, intelligence, and grace. This year's pageant, scheduled for 16th November 2024, promises to be an exciting and transformative event, with contestants from countries like Fiji and Guatemala representing diverse stories of resilience and empowerment. Both the Miss Universe Fiji and Guatemala stories remind us that beauty pageants are more than just crowns and gowns. They reflect real-life challenges, human experiences, and the power of perseverance. Whether it's overcoming bias, embracing motherhood, or stepping up in the face of unexpected changes, these women embody grace under pressure. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all the latest stories from the world of pageants, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll be bringing you more fascinating stories, insights, and behind-the-scenes updates from the Miss Universe competition and beyond. See you in the next video.